What's up, guys? It's Squishy. Alright, so I got, what do you say, like a life update, I guess? So, we're gonna, this is my second Tijuana vlog. We're gonna get into that, don't worry. But before we do, I just got hired at Target. Ayy. So, due to my work schedule, I probably won't be able to post as much just because I'm gonna be working, and I will be working Black Friday, so wish me luck. But anyways, yeah, I just want to let you guys know, just in case, you guys notice that I'm not posting as much, that I'm not as active on YouTube anymore as much. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just got hired, so I'm gonna be working. I got school, so I'm gonna be doing school too. Shit's whack, bro. Fucking whack. But anyways, let's dive into this fucking Tijuana vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. I was getting molded for my braces. Yeah, I'm getting braces. For those of you who knew me in middle school, yes, I did have braces in middle school, but the thing is, I lost my retainers. So my teeth went back. You can't really tell, but still, they went back to how they used to be, and then my wisdom teeth grew out, so they kind of pushed my teeth out a little more. But I got them removed. So yeah, we were just waiting for, honestly, I don't know, the adults are taking care of that. But I'm getting my braces in TJ, so yeah, that's gonna be interesting. Alright, let's get this shit rolling. I've been talking too long. Y'all need to tell me to shut the fuck up. Alright, let's go. Hello, children. I've come to, interrupt this broadcast really quick because I have not been able to figure out which order my videos go in. I recorded this shit through Snapchat, obviously, duh, because I don't have a camera yet. But, I'm gonna just put them however the fuck I can. The ones where we get molded, though, I'm gonna try to see if I can put those in order at least, just so that it's not like we're driving, we get molded, we're driving, we're getting molded again, that type of shit. So yeah, I'm gonna try to fix that. At least just that part. But the other, I'm gonna try to put whatever's from breakfast in the beginning too. And then whatever else happened after that, I'm just gonna put it however, so it might be a little out of order. I was working on this last week, but I got sidetracked and then I had to concentrate on work. And then at the end of the day, my laptop just shut off. So I kind of just said, you know what? Fuck it. I'll deal with this later. And, yeah. So, but anyways, I just wanted to interrupt that to let y'all know that it's not exactly going to be all in order. Work is great. It's nice, sorry, but anyways, I'm gonna try to do as much as I can. I have these 3 days off. I work Black Friday and Saturday, and then I just got my schedule, so I'm working on Sunday too. I only get Monday and next Saturday off, so I'm working pretty much the whole week until I figure out what my schedule's gonna be for the week after that. So, when I have time, if I have time on Monday or on Saturday, I am gonna try to record a video. Maybe as an update type of vlog, like how's life going or whatever. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump back in, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And I'll probably say some end credits. I don't know. We'll see how the fuck I feel. I'll probably just leave it as that. But I hope you guys enjoy.
saw a place, está arriba del food processor grande. ¿Le va a hacer un jugo? No, le está poniendo ahorita crema.
You are being very asshole right now.
That's gonna stay in the video.
You are giving me anger.
He's like, I'm gonna say it. You're gonna make me say it. Then say it. I don't care about your arm. Remember
There, you
that?
broke your elbow.
There we go. Post Malone says, let me take you where I'm from. Let me take you to the slums. Cause, you know.
They got good tacos. They got good taco, good taco, good taco. We're going back to roots of cleaning houses, guys. Going back to me like bullets.
Right? I'm in prison. Just kidding. I'm just swinging my legs. Baño.
Habaneros love their flavored cigarettes, that's for sure.
Oh yeah.
I'll tell you that right now.
I can't see.
It's so bright.
It is.
To the beach, take a run, a walk, exercise.
Jugo sabo. What that mean?
I
What
don't know.
that mean? What that mean?
Oh. Forgot my mask.
This thing has caramel. This is caramel.
palo. Le he paseado varias veces. No quiero que se vaya a perder, se vaya a la basura.
Hello.
No, no me abraces.
Hello.
Estoy llena de polvo. Hola.
Hi, tía.
Pásale. A ver, déjeme pasar. Sí, porque... ¿Cómo les fue en la cita?
Uy, estuvo bien.
¿Verdad que sí?
Cast iron. Hear that?
Here we see a pot used as a planter with a Coke can. Okay.
Just the painting.
Okay.
Por allá no voy a poder pasar. Nomás lo que puedes sacar en el altar.
Ahí trajimos un plato de chilaquiles y huevo.
Así está bien, pues.
No cayeron de luz. Nomás se resbalaron. Acabaron de la basura, ¿no?
Igualito de salpicar.
Barely anything over here, and then somewhere in my pantaloons. Oh yeah, right there.
No, sí, es que estaba bien sopa. Qué hermoso va a quedar.
You want to take it home already now for your new tenant.
Actually, the grade of my house.
My Pringles. Ooh, these are gonna be hella fresh.
Touch it.
Debería de cambiar de pantalón.
How's your powder? Ooh, wow.
Oh, oh.
Chill, Vanya, chill. She opened up the powder and I guess she breathed it in. Unless you choked on your saliva. The powder? Damn. That's some strong shit.
To my nose.
That's strong.
It burns.
Good stuff.
Oh yeah, that is her part.
No. ¿Sí es?
Look at all those chickens.
Here is burning.
And you have made it to the end. Congratulations. Okay, so as you can tell, they are pretty out of order. Some video I had to actually take it out of my camera roll, so I had to connect my phone. But anyways, How did you guys like it? Was it good? Was it bad? Are there any suggestions? I know I need to get a better camera soon so I can stop recording off my phone, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Anyways, I don't know, but I might do a mukbang for my next YouTube video. It's just that I'm gonna need friends to do that with. And you know, Squishy got friends, but Squishy friends are busy. We all are. So we gonna see. But thank you for dropping by. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. You know the drill. I still don't know what I'm gonna call you guys, but I think I'm gonna call you guys my squishables. You know? Or my mini squishies. I don't know. I need help with that, but I was thinking about squishables or beans. Mini beans. All right. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this the way that I did. You know, I mean, obviously, it's pretty interesting. I'm blabber mouthing. Anyways, squishy out.